Hello, sir. Presentation, sir. Now, what is template inheritance in Blade and how can be used in a real-world application? Template inheritance in Blade allows you to define a base layout template that contains the common elements of your application's UI, example HTML structure, headers, footers, and navigation. Child templates can then extend this base template and only define the specific content for their particular page or section. In real world application, template inheritance can be used in an e-commerce application to maintain an consistent layout across different pages such as homepage, product listing page, product detail page, and shopping cart page. The master layout would contain the basic HTML structure, header, footer, and navigation. Child views for each page would extend this layout and define their specific content and section. So next, how can blade sections and yields be utilized to manage content and different views? Sections and yields work together to enable template inheritance. In the base template, at yield, directives define placeholders where content from child templates can be inserted in child templates. At section, directive define the content that will be inserted into those placeholders. And this is the example. Base template. The base template, typically named app.blade.php, serves as the foundation for all pages in a Laravel application. It defines the overall structures of the HTML document, including the head and body, sections, and provides placeholder for content that will be inserted by child templates. These placeholders are defined using the @yield directive, which specifies between where child templates can inject their content and child template. The child template, such as home.blade.php, interacts the structures and layout defined in the base template using the @extends directive. The child template specifies which base template to use. It then uses the @section directive to define content for the placeholder specified in the base template. So next, how do blade control structures make your code more readable compared to raw PHP? Blade provides concise and expressive directives for common PHP control structures like if, else, for each, and for loops. These directives are more readable than their raw PHP counterparts because they use a cleaner syntax, reducing the amount of PHP code mixed with HTML. And this example, looping through data. Blade control structures offer a more readable, maintainable, and developer-friendly way to manage logic in your templates compared to raw PHP. The concise syntax and clear directives reduce clutter, improve and code flow, and make it easier to understand the template's purpose. Next, what is the purpose of the syntax in Blade and why it is important for security? The syntax in Blade is used for displaying data. It automatically escapes the data to prevent cross-site scripting vulnerabilities. When you output data using variable, Blade converts any HTML entities in the variable to their corresponding character codes, preventing malicious scripts from being injected into your application. So, the syntax in Laravel's Blade templating engine is designed to display variables pass from your page code to your views with a primary focus on security. Yun ang parang why it is important for security. Now, how can Blades components and slots be used to create reusable UI elements? Blade components allow you to create reusable UI elements such as buttons, alerts, or form fields. Components encapsulate the HTML, CSS, and logic for a particular UI element, making it easy to reuse throughout your application. Slots allow you to define regions within a component that can be customized by the component user. And this is the example. Component usage. In the example, the alert component is used with a type attribute and a name slot for the title. The content something isn't right is passed into the default slot, while warning it's passed into the title slot. So yun, thank you po.